In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add axis titles in Excel. Clear axis titles make your charts easier to read and help your audience instantly understand what's being measured. We'll walk through building a simple line chart and turning on axis titles, then I'll share quick tips for naming them clearly. Start by selecting the data you want to chart. Click and drag across your table so it includes the labels and the numbers. If your data has column headers, make sure those are part of the selection. Excel will use them to label your chart automatically, which saves time later. Double-check that the range is continuous and that there aren't any blank rows or columns splitting your selection. With your data highlighted, go to the ribbon at the top and choose the Insert tab. This is where all chart options live. In the Charts section, pick the line chart. A basic line graph is perfect for trends over time or any sequence-based data, and it's a great example to see how axis titles work. Once the chart appears on your sheet, click anywhere on it to make sure it's selected. You'll see a small plus icon appear to the right of the chart. This is the Chart Elements button. Click that plus icon to open a list of elements you can toggle on or off. From that list, turn on axis titles by checking the box. Excel will immediately add placeholder text boxes for the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis. If you don't see both, click the chart again to confirm it's selected. The placeholders show only when the chart is active. Now, type your titles. Click directly on the axis title text beneath the chart to rename the horizontal axis, then type something that clearly describes the data, like months or categories. Next, click the vertical axis title on the left and type what the values represent, such as sales, temperature, or any unit you're using. If there's a unit of measure, like USD, DGC, or percentage, include it right in the title to avoid confusion. Press Enter or click outside the box to finish each title. That's it. You selected your data, inserted a line chart, opened the Chart Elements menu, turned on axis titles, and named them clearly. Keep your titles short, specific, and consistent with the terms used in your dataset. If you need more space, you can drag the chart to make it larger so the titles are easier to read. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your Excel charts clearer and more professional with well-labeled axes.